10 minutes. So good evening and welcome guys for our next module. Let me share my screen with you guys. So our next module is Twitter marketing. Okay. So let's see what is mean by Twitter marketing. So I think you may have heard about Twitter. Twitter is a kind of social media which is widely used for mainly for the politics purpose. So Twitter is used for mainly for politics, but you can also target a quite good audience here, and you can market your product or service on the Twitter also. And on Twitter, you can target in both ways, like organic or inorganic way. In the organic way, you can write a good content, give proper hashtags, write and design a good images, graphics, and you can upload for videos also, and you can do all the organic marketing here. And in the inorganic way, you can run the ads as we have seen in the Facebook and the LinkedIn. So Twitter also gives you a tool to make a ad. So today we are going to see how to customize an ad and what are the options in that. So let's see what is mean by Twitter marketing. So it is a strategy, a plan centered around creating, publishing, and distributing content for your buyer, persona, audience, and followers through the social media platform. So goal of this type of strategy is to attract new followers, new leads, boost conversions, improve brand recognition, and increase sales. See guys, why we use social media? So some of the companies use social media not for selling purpose. So they just want to make brand. For example, you may have heard about Nike, Levi's, and Mufti, and all these big brands. Give me 1 second. Okay, so it will give you tool to market in both organic and inorganic way. Okay, so some company use this Twitter for just purpose of branding, and some use this Twitter for lead generation. So what is mean by lead generation? Can anyone tell me what is mean by leads generation?
uh, the customers that are interested in buying the product or service.
Yeah, those are the our potential leads. And what is mean by lead generation?
To
So it's
find the
like
customers.
generating traffic, sir.
So to see, अभी आपने जो बोला, आपने एकदम एकदम एक्यूरेट बोला. So those are the potential customers who are interested in our product or service. So lead generation is nothing but to convert those customers into potential customers to our customers. In short, to sell the product. Okay, to sell the product to those customers, that is lead generation. Okay, and boost conversions means जो हमारा सेल हो रहा है उसको इंक्रीज करने के लिए. कन्वर्जन इज नथिंग बट सेलिंग. कन्वर्जन, लीड जनरेशन इज नथिंग बट पोटेंशियल कस्टमर्स को क्या करना है, कन्वर्जन में कन्वर्ट करना है. और बूस्ट कन्वर्जन मींस जो हमारे लीड्स जनरेट हो रहे हैं उसको इंक्रीज करना है. ठीक है, समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what is mean by improve brand recognition? ब्रांड रिकग्निशन मीन्स आपका ब्रांड को क्या करना है, उसको ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचाना है। उसके लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं, देखिए अभी फॉर एग्जांपल ट्विटर पे आपका अकाउंट है, आपकी कंपनी का अकाउंट है, ठीक है। अगर आप उस पर रोज पोस्टिंग करोगे तो क्या होगा, आपके फॉलोअर्स को वो दिखेगा, तो क्या होगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग इंगेज होंगे, ज़्यादा न्यू फॉलोअर्स बढ़ेंगे, इस तरह से हमारा एक ब्रांड बनेगा एंड अल्टीमेटली इट विल एंड अप इन इंक्रीजिंग द सेल्स, ठीक है। सो सी गाइस, हाउ टू engage our followers. फर्स्ट इज कस्टमाइज एंड ब्रांड योर प्रोफाइल। आपको सबसे पहले प्रोफाइल बनाना पड़ेगा, उसको कस्टमाइज करना पड़ेगा। क्रिएट ट्विटर लिस्ट, आपको ट्विटर के लिस्ट बनाना है। होस्ट ट्विटर चैट, एडवर्टाइज ऑन ट्विटर, ड्राइव ट्रैफिक टू वेबसाइट। हम यहाँ पे आपकी हमारी वेबसाइट का लिंक डाल सकते हैं, जहाँ से हमारे जो फॉलोअर है हमारी वेबसाइट पे रिडायरेक्ट हो जाएंगे। ये सब मेथड्स है। नाउ सी हाउ टू क्रिएट अ ट्विटर एड। Okay guys, this is my Twitter page. Are you able to see this? Guys, can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I am.
सबसे पहले तो आपको एक सिंपल सा अकाउंट बनाना है। अब मैंने मेरा अकाउंट बना हुआ है, वही मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ। तो आपने आपका अकाउंट बना दिया, ठीक है। उसके बाद आपको मोर में जाना है। देन इन द मोर you can see here Twitter ads. Click on Twitter ads. Okay. Now it is quite similar with our previous Facebook and LinkedIn campaign objectives. You need, are you making a brand awareness? Give me a business name. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका कोई बिजनेस का बताइए, मैं आपको बताता हूँ उसमें किस तरह से हम ऑब्जेक्टिव चूज कर सकते हैं। गाइस, एम आई ऑडिबल?
Yes, sir. We are following you, sir.
अब अभी देखिए, अवेयरनेस किन वेबसाइट को करना है, हम किस बिजनेस को कर सकते हैं अवेयरनेस। बताइए। फॉर एग्जाम्पल,
Sir, reaching the customers, sir.
यस, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी समझिए मैंने एक नया होटल खोला है, ठीक है। अभी मैं होटल खोला है, तो मैं ऐप इंस्टॉल्स का, अभी देखिए यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन है और ऐप इंस्टॉल। तो मैं, मेरा गोल क्या रखूं, ऐप इंस्टॉल रखूं, वेबसाइट क्लिक रखूं, इंगेजमेंट रखूं। मेरा एक होटल है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव ओपनड ए वेजिटेरियन होटल in Mumbai. So, and I want to run a ad on the Twitter. So, what should be my objective for my hotel? मैं क्या चाह रहा हूँ, मेरी होटल का ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को पता चले। अभी कोई अगर ऐप इंस्टॉल करता है, अगर मेरे पास ऐप है तो मैं ऐप करूँगा, मेरे पास ऐप नहीं है तो मैं ऐप इंस्टॉल पे क्लिक करूँगा क्या, ये मेरा ऑब्जेक्टिव रहेगा क्या? Guys, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please
We're
give
just
me
listening to
answers.
you. Yeah, okay.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. I think reach will be the first, sir. Reach.
For example, we are having a business website and we want website clicks on our ad. So let's select website clicks, click on next, and he's saying that all progress will be lost if you change the objective. Are you sure? I'm sure. Yes, change objective. Okay, so this is my objective, campaign name, XYZ campaign. He's saying that funding source credit card, debit card, and daily budget is 100 USD, and my total budget is 2000 USD. You can select start and end date here. So let's schedule. Start date will be from Sunday, from the Sunday, and from, let's see, 10 a.m. Okay, so I want to start this, and end date should be, I want to run for the, we have started from the 14th, so from the 14th I want to run ad for 20th. Okay, so let's click on advanced. Pricing should be standard, it is recommended. Click on next. Okay, so in the campaign you need to, we have ad groups, so give a name for the ad group, XYZ ad group. Guys, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then in the ad, in the campaign we can have different ad groups. Okay, so we are creating first ad group, then you can specify the time here. Okay, it's optional, you can specify these details. And my total budget for this ad group is like $100. Bid type is recommended automatic. Okay, and you can have the measurement options, audience measurement tag and double click tracking here. So it's kind of different things. So see, this is important. So here you can choose the gender data, like you want to show your ad to woman, men. Okay, so and the age range, I want to target age range from like 21 to say 49. Okay, now it is showing all over India, but we don't want to market our ad in that India. We want to market ad to a specific location like Delhi, New Delhi. Okay, then language English. Okay, then next we want to target people using Android as well as desktop, and in the Android you can choose these, all these options, but we will not select any of those. We will select all the Android phones. You can also select device model. So this is a very rare option, you cannot find in other social media platforms. So how much Twitter charge to make an account to you? Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir, but no idea, sir. Maybe free.
How much Twitter charges to make an account on its platform?
Oh, how much? Okay, okay.
It's free, sir. Free.
So now you know why it's free.
Yes, sir.
It's free because he is using your data. All these users of these phones have accepted the terms and conditions. So whenever there is a free service provided to you, then you are the product of that platform. Facebook is free, Instagram is free, LinkedIn is free, Twitter is free. So can you guess how they will make the revenue out of it? They earn in billions, in millions, billions, but they don't charge to you because they sell all these data to companies like us. Okay,
Yes, sir.
then you can choose the custom audience. We don't have any custom audience, so we don't have any list. If you make a list, then you will get many options here. Okay, now you can add the keywords and consider I am having a SEO company. My company do SEO services. So what keyword should I add?
SEO company in Delhi.
Yes,
Affordable SEO
very
in
good,
Delhi.
very good. Affordable SEO services in Delhi. Very nice. And
Best SEO services in Delhi.
very good. Okay, so see, uh, so do you know how many people are searching for these keywords?
No.
So how will you
No,
make?
sir.
So how will you know that? How will you get to know that? How many how many people are searching for which keyword? I already showed you guys in keyword research. Where should I
In the
go?
Google AdWords.
Yeah, very nice. To make
But sir, how will we know that how many people are searching on the Twitter? I mean, uh, our ad will be shown on the Twitter, right?
yes, yes. See, your ad will be shown on the Twitter, but the Google AdWords gives you the volume and idea about the extent of that keyword. So it will give idea. So which keyword
Uh,
is having a more volume? But there are some paid tools also like Ahref and Moz and SEMrush. Have you heard about SEMrush?
no, sir.
So it is a paid tool. It charges money. We need to buy it. Okay. So because of that reason, for corporate companies uses SEMrush and Ahref. So from that also you can find the keywords. But to do the keyword, you should use Google Keyword Planner. It will give in the Google AdWords platform. It will give you a good idea in free how should we make the keyword strategy. Okay, so now second is the follower look alikes. So it's optional, and when you click on it, reach people with similar interest to accounts followers. Similarly, if there's things on Twitch, okay. So you can target the people who are following the look alike, means not exactly, it is similar kind of keywords. Okay, so you can add those people also. Now in the interest based, so in the interest based, if you have like we are having a SEO company, then what should be our interest? Not in automotive, beauty, books, literature. You can target in business also. So see, in the business, you can target marketing, you can target advertising. Okay, so if you are having any beauty business, if you're working for a company which makes a beauty products, you should use this beauty option. And depending upon the, if you are having an educational website, you need to go to the education and which kind of education your company is providing, you can target those targeted audience. Okay, so depending upon the interest, you can also target the audience. You can also target people by who are watching or who like the which kind of movies and TV shows. Let's see if it shows Friends. Let's, okay, see, you know Friends.
Yes, a television series, English.
Yeah, so Friends here, okay, showing France. So let's see. Okay, How I Met Your Mother. So you want people to target who likes the TV show How I Met Your Mother. So this is a very good comedy show. So you can target this kind of audience, like who likes which movie and which TV shows and like which events. Okay, they have many options here in the events, like conferences, holidays, Olympics. In conferences we have these kinds of conferences. So this will help you to target some big personas of the companies, like TED to 2020, 2021. So these like managers and the directors and CEOs of some companies may have like this TED 2021. So you can also target this. Okay, so based on the events also, and you can also target in politics. Okay, it's not showing. So you can also target by people who like this kind of sports. You have, you know, so many options here in the Twitter. Now what is conversion topic? See, reach people who tweeted, engaged with a tweet, or looked at a tweet about a conversion topic. Conversion have a look back window of 28 days. For example, there is a tweet which we have tweeted and people have engaged. For example, we have so many followers and like we got 1 million engagement using retweets and likes and comments, and we want, so those people are interested in on that topic, right? So we want to make a particular ad for those people only. So you can do it, because I don't have any tweets, it is not showing here. Okay, so you can also target. So you can target these people who have engaged about lifestyle, brand. Okay, so you depending upon the actors, it may change. Okay, so you will get different options here. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
I'm following you, sir.
Yes. Now see placement. So where you want to place your ad. So आपके timeline पे तो आएगा ही आएगा optionally है. So you want to add into the profile in search results. Okay, we want this ad to on search result, and it is saying that extend to Twitter audience platform. Yes, we want that. So he's now saying that which kind of ad you want to show. So we will have we have 5 kinds of ad formats here: full ad, full landscape ad, banner ad, native ad, and medium rectangle ad. Okay, you can see category. So he's saying that to use the Twitter audience platform, you need to provide an or advertiser domain. Okay, so let's add our local host. Guys, we are having less than 1 minute. So after 10 minutes, again join please.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.